Hello, Huyen. Yeah, for a while. I have to fix this one. What happened? For a while, Huyen. What happened with this?
Yes.
Yeah, for a while. It's here already, but I cannot open this one. How are you today?
I'm very happy.
Wow, that's good to hear that you're very happy. Wow. Okay, for a while. Oh, I guess there's a little problem with this one, so for a while. Okay, just a minute, Huyen. My God, where is it? Hmm. So what did you do? Oh, by the way, where are you going today? Why the class is so early? Why? You were going somewhere? Huyen,
What?
you will go somewhere tonight?
It's 3 o'clock.
Ah, yeah, 3 o'clock. Okay, for a while it's here. I don't know what happened. Yeah,
3:30.
yeah. And you were going where?
No,
Yeah, for
I
a while,
don't know.
for a while. Okay, because okay, for a while I need to start this one.
I think I will movie. Like movie.
Okay, I will share now. Yay. Now it's here. 29C reading. Okay. Yan, have you seen this one?
Yes.
Okay, so let us start now. Okay. Okay, go Yan. Oh, very good. Oh, I can see it. Oh.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow. Wow. Is your sister beside you?
Yes.
Oh, maybe your sister is keep on laughing. Hi, good afternoon. Oh. Okay, so here. So we'll be having now our, what's that? We are already in, what topic is that? Okay, it's unit 29, that's reading, test letter C reading. Okay, so here,
Okay.
yeah. Do you have your paper with you? Where is your paper?
Diver.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Diver.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So all you have to do here, as you can see here, Huyan, you will have to look and read. Okay? Can you see that? You will have to look and read. And then you will have to check. Okay, look at this one. Okay. Okay, here, look at this one. You will have to check, not tick. It is check. Check or cross. Okay, can you see that one? You will have to check or cross. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we have here an example down here. Can you see that one? Look at the picture. Okay, what is in the picture? If you think that is correct, you will have to put it check. Okay?
Okay.
But if you think that is incorrect or cross, wrong, look at picture.
Cross.
Yeah, you will have to put it cross. Okay. So, yeah, in the first picture, that is, what is this?
And
Yeah, very
hand.
good. This is a hand. So, that is check. Here in the second picture, what is this?
Ear.
Yeah, very good. That is an ear. But then, as you can see, this is an eye. No, it's wrong. So, you will have to put cross. Okay, Huyan, you understand? Okay, now look at question number 2. Check or X? What's your answer?
Check.
Oh, let's see your answer, Huyin girl. Dang, very good. Yeah, that is a hippo. You know what is hippo?
Hippo.
Yeah, you know what is that? Oh, you know what is that? Oh,
Yes.
yeah, exactly. Next one here. Look at the picture. What is that? Question number 2. Check or X?
Check.
Oh, really? Okay, look at them. Very good. What is that one? Can you read it, Huyan?
Yes. Check.
Yeah, I know it's check. Can you read? Read. This is
This is a bookcase.
very good. This is a bookcase. Okay. How about number 3, Huyan?
Check.
Check, teacher, and very good. This is a, reread, please.
This is a kitchen.
Oh, again. This is a
Chicken.
chicken. It's not kitchen. This is a chicken. Okay? Okay, you
Okay.
understand? Very good. Number 4, Huyin girl.
X.
Oh, X. Okay. Look at this one. Oh, why do you think that is X? You tell teacher, it's X. Why do you think so? Because, what is that?
It's a sofa.
Very good, Huyan. It's not a chair. It is a, again, one more, Huyan. It is a, what is this? It is
It's
a
sofa.
very good. It's sofa. It's not a chair. It's a sofa. Okay. Good job. 5, Huyan. Number 5.
Check.
Check, of course. And that is a, this is a, what is this?
This is a plane.
Very good. This is a plane. Okay, I will ask you. Okay, have you ride a plane? You travel by plane? You ride a plane?
Yes.
Yeah. Where did you go? Where? In Canada?
Yes.
Oh, really? Well, very nice. Okay, let's move to here. Look at this. Oh, What have you seen in the picture, Huyan? You will have to say, look and, okay, look and read. Okay, you will have to say, yes, and or no,
No.
teacher. Again, you will have to say yes or
Yes
no,
or no.
teacher. Okay. So look at this one. Teacher Anne will going to read the example. Can you see what is in the picture? Okay. You listen and please look at the picture properly. Number one, the boy is wearing a hat. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, very good. It's yes. Okay. There are 4 frogs in the water. Okay.
No.
Mm, no. How many frogs are there, Huyan?
Uh,
There are,
3.
yeah, very good. There are only 3 frogs, teacher, not 4. Okay, do you understand? You understand?
Okay.
Yay! Next one here. Okay, this is the test proper. Okay, look at this one. We have the same picture. So, Huyan, please try to look at the picture properly. Please try to look at the picture properly. In the right side here, you can see that there are 5 questions. Okay? Okay. So, can you read number 1?
The boy trousers are yellow.
What's the answer? The boy trousers are yellow. Do you think the boy trousers are yellow?
Yes.
Yes or no? Trousers here. Here, this one is the trousers. It's yellow?
No.
Yeah, what's the color of the trousers?
Purple.
Yeah, very good. The color of the trousers is purple. Okay. You know what is trouser? Okay, look at the one underlined by teacher. Trousers. Okay, what is that? You know what is trousers? You know what is that?
Yes.
It's a long pants. Okay. Sorry. It's caps lock. It's a long pants. Okay. It's a long pants. It's trousers. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Number 2. Okay. The answer here is, you told me the answer is no, because it's purple, teacher. Okay. Huyan, for a while. For a while. For a while.
Okay.
Oh, for a while. Hello, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
is Beth there, ma'am?
Yeah. Hoyin is here.
She's there?
Yeah. She's here.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you. Okay. Huyen, it's the Pantado. Call me if you're here already. Okay. So where are we here? Okay. Okay. So number 2. Look at number 2. Can you please read number 2?
There is a duck next to the boy.
Very good. Thank you, Huyan. There is a duck next to the boy. Where is the duck?
Yes.
Okay, it's yes, teacher. Very good. Number 3. You read number 3. Is that your grandfather?
The boy is playing with a toy plane.
Okay, the boy is playing with a toy plane. Uyan, plane. Okay, what is your answer? Yes or no? Do you think the boy is playing a
No.
toy plane? Yeah. No, teacher. Why? You tell me why.
Boat
Yeah, again. The boy is playing
with
a
a toy boat.
very good. Okay, the boy is playing with a toy boat, not a toy plane. You understand this, Oyan?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Number 4, Oyan.
There is a bird in the boat.
Okay, there is a bird in the boat. Do you think this is a bird?
No.
No. What is that, Uyan?
It's a frog.
It's a frog, teacher. It's not a bird. Number 5.
The boy feet are in the water.
Okay, the boy's feet are in the water. Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Can you see that one? Okay, the boy's feet is in the water. Okay, it's the boy's feet is in the water. Okay, here. Next, look at this one. Okay, so you understand this in part 2. You understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, in part 3, let us have the part 3. Okay, you look at the picture, okay, and look at the letters inside the box. Okay, can you see that one? All you have to do is to arrange that one. Okay, so we have here the picture, and what do you think is the correct answer? Okay, number 1, the answer is
Kite.
doll. Okay. How about next one? What is this? What's the answer?
Kite.
Kite. Very good. Yes, exactly. That is kite. Do you like kite? You like kite?
Yes.
Oh, really? Have you tried playing a kite?
Yes.
Ooh, where? Where? Where did you play a kite? This one.
The
In the
garden
In the garden. Okay. I love the color. What's the color of your kite, Huyan?
is pink.
It's pink. Wow, it's color pink. And I don't have kite. Okay, here, sorry. Number 2. What is the answer, Huyan?
Yes.
Okay, no, yes, it's here. Look up number 2. What's the answer for number 2?
Bike.
Bike. Okay, do you have a bike?
Yes.
Yes. How about number 3? What's the answer for number 3? You look at the screen.
Train.
Train. Yes, very good. It's a train. And number 4, what is that? It is a,
Robot.
yeah, it's a robot. Do you like to play a robot?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Let me see if your answer is correct. Tang, very good again. Number 5. Okay, what is your answer for number 5? I will take a photo.
Camera.
Yeah, it's a camera. Very good. Okay, wow, Huyan, you got 3 consecutive perfect scores. Yay, good job. Okay, now look at this one. This is quite difficult, but I know you can answer this one. Okay, can you see this one? Okay, look at this one, Huyan. You listen carefully. Okay, but before that, Teacher Ann will ask, did you understand 1, 2, and 3? Did you understand? You understand?
Okay.
Very
Okay.
good. No question. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, exactly. Look at this one. In the right side, I have here a selection, and on the left, I have here the pictures. Okay. We are going to talk about a desk. You know what is desk? Yeah, in the
Yes.
pig. Yeah, very good. So we have here, you will have to read and choose the word from the box. Write the correct word next to the numbers 1 to 5. Okay, we have here one example already. The answer is classroom. Okay, so can you read
Okay.
it for teacher? So all your answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can find it here. Or you just pick it and pick your answers here. Okay, in here in the pictures. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, can you read it? I am
I am a classroom. Lucy's school. Lucy's teacher sits on a chair
very good. Let's see. Yeah, and then
in front for me.
of me. It's
Look
not for. In
at
front of
me.
me. Yeah. Lucy.
Lucy can see left and feet under me.
Very good. And then continue.
He paused his ruler
Rule.
pencil,
Very
a
good.
pens
Pens.
and pencils on me. The um
The blank stand next to me and Lucy's teacher looks at their books. Okay, what is number 4? The blank
um table.
the table. Okay, do you think it's a table?
Children.
Oh, very good. Number 5.
I am a like table, but people don't see it.
Very good. Again, okay. So again, Huyen, can you read it from the very beginning? I am a classroom. Okay, go Huyen.
I am a classroom. Lucy school. Lucy teacher sits on a desk in front of me. Lucy can see his legs and feet under me. He puts his ruler, pens, and pencil on me. The books. I am a like table, but people don't sit and eat breakfast at me. What I am a desk.
Yeah. Do you understand this?
Yes,
Yeah. Oh, this is the desk. Okay. So, very good. You are perfect. Okay, here. So, these are the words here. These are all about the desk. Okay, in the pictures. Okay. I am a classroom, Lucy's school. Lucy's teacher sits on a chair in front of me. Lucy can see his legs and feet under me. He puts his roller, pens, and pencils on me. The children stand next to me, and Lucy's teacher looks at their books. I am a light table, but people don't sit and eat breakfast at me. What I am a desk. Okay? You understand this, Oyan? You
yes,
understand? Okay. The
yes.
table, okay, the desk looks like a table. Okay. Very good. Next one here. Okay. How about this? Okay. In part 5, we have here a picture. Look at the picture and read and look at the pictures and read the questions. Write one word answer. Okay. Can you see what is in the picture? What's the name of the girl? Look at the shirt of the girl. What's the name of the girl in the picture?
Sure.
Okay, what's the name?
Sure.
Oh, it's Sue. The name is Sue. Okay, so we have here the example. What is on the table next to the bed? What is that? The answer is
It
it's a
is
here.
sleeping
What is on the table next to the bed?
lamp.
It's a lamp. Very good. What is the cat doing? The cat is.
The cat is
Look at the cat. You look at the cat. What is the cat doing?
sleeping.
Yeah, the cat is sleeping. Yes, the cat is sleeping. Okay, question now. I will ask you. Which room is Sue in? In her? Which room?
No.
In her? What is this? What room is this? Kitchen? What is this? Living room? What is this? In
The
her? In her?
window.
What is this? Where is Sue now?
In the bedroom.
Very good. Sue is in her bedroom. Very good. Can you see this one? Sue is in her bedroom. Yeah, now, where is Sue now? Look at this one. Where is Sue now? Sue is on the
Kitchen.
very good. Sue is in the kitchen. What is Sue eating now?
The eaten.
Sue is eating. What is this? What do you think is that?
The
Mhm. What do
banana.
you, it's a banana.
Orange.
Orange or banana. It could be orange. It could be a banana. Oh, now, what is the cat drinking?
Uh,
The cat is drinking what?
water.
It's a water, teacher. A milk or a water. It could be a milk or it could be a water. Okay. What color is the sun? Oh my God. What happened to the sun? What color is the sun? Its color?
Red.
It's color red. Why it becomes red? Oh yeah, I don't know why. Maybe the sun is very hot and it almost explode because it's very, very hot. Okay, the color of the sun is, what's the color?
Red.
Red, teacher. Yes. Okay, here. Okay, so our lesson is just very short. Okay, so we will have another topic for a while. Teacher will show another topic. Okay,
Okay.
right here. Okay, for a while we still have time. Kuyan, we need to have this. So for another topic, we'll be having our listening test. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand the reading? You understand the reading?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, for a while. Here.
Book.
Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, it's here.
What?
Okay, it's here for a while. Okay, I'll be sharing you this one. Okay, so here again. Okay, so for the part two, we'll be having here, since we still have time, I will be showing you the listening test. Okay, now all you have to do, Huyan, is please try to listen carefully. Do you understand, Teacher Anne? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, you know already what you are going to do with this. Okay, you will have to write whatever you hear. Okay, if you hear something, you will have to write here. Write it in your paper. Do you have paper with you? Where's your paper? Show me your paper. Paper. Yeah, paper. Yeah. Okay. You use that paper and please tell me what did you hear. You will have to do much. Okay, listen. Okay, listen. You write in the paper. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Ready?
Part 1. Look at part
Sorry. For a while, yan, what's happening?
1. Now look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example. Put the photo under the bed.
Sorry, what?
The photo. Put it under the bed.
Oh, right.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1. Now put the pen on the desk.
Pardon?
Put the pen on the desk.
Okay.
2. Can you see the lamp?
Yes.
Put it on the floor, between the boy and the mat.
Okay. I'm putting the lamp on the floor, between the boy and the mat.
3. Okay. Now the shoe.
Yes.
Put it in the cupboard.
Put the shoe in the cupboard.
Yes, that's right. 4. Look at the dog.
He's sleeping on the mat.
Yes. Now put the clock next to him.
Put the clock next to the dog.
Yes. 5. Okay. Now the sock. Put it under the chair.
Sorry, where?
Put the sock under the chair.
Okay.
Now listen to part 1 again. 1. Now put the pen on the desk.
Pardon?
Put the pen on the desk.
Okay.
2. Can you see the lamp?
Yes.
Put it on the floor, between the boy and the mat.
Okay. I'm putting the lamp on the floor, between the boy and the mat.
On the floor.
3.
Is the boy
Okay. Now the shoe.
Yes.
Put it in the cupboard.
Put the shoe in the cupboard.
Yes, that's right.
in cupboard?
4. Look at the dog.
He's sleeping on the mat.
Yes. Now put the clock next to him.
Put the clock next to the dog.
Yes, 5.
OK. Now the sock. Put it under the chair.
Sorry, where?
Put the sock under the chair.
OK.
Hai hai lỗ đâu nhỉ?
End of part 1.
Hey, did you have the answer, Huyan, or you want more? Do I need to repeat one more? Huyan, one more?
One is
Okay, wait for a while. Do I need to repeat one more the audio or no? It's okay now? You can answer? You can answer, Huyan? You can answer?
yes.
Okay, number 1. What is in number 1?
One on the map. Pen on the desk.
Okay. The pen is on the desk. Okay. Again, where is the pen? It's here. Oh, next one. Where is the lamp? Where is the lamp?
On the floor near the hill and on the map.
Okay, let me see. Oh, it's here. Okay. Next one. Where is the shoes? Where's the shoes of the boy?
On the cupboard.
It's on the cupboard. Let me see. Oh, it's here. It's on the cupboard. Oh, next one here. Where is the clock? The clock is on the...
It's on dog. It's on the...
It's on the...
It's near next to the dog.
Okay, it's next to the dog. Very good. Next one here. Where is the sock? Where is the sock?
It in the cup. Under the chairs.
Very good. The sock is under the chair. Oh, it's here. So this shoes is in the cupboard. And this lamp, Huyan, it is in here beside the boy. And the clock, it is on. The clock is next to the dog. It's here. And where's the sock? The sock is under the chair. Okay. Teacher Ann will correct this one. Okay, for a while. This is not and. Okay. This is not and. This is not and. This is not and this is not and. This is letter. This is S. Okay. The pen is on the desk. The lamp is on the floor. Oh, can you read it, Huyan? Number 1, please read it.
Number 1
Yes.
on the desk.
Yeah. Now the pen. Number 1. The pen.
On the desk.
Okay. Number 2. Read.
On the map.
No. You read sentence. You read all.
Lamp.
The lamp is, again.
The lamp is on the map.
Okay. The lamp. Oh, you read it. The lamp is on the floor between the boy.
Yeah. Him.
The boy and the mat. Okay, number 3. You read number 3. Please read number 3. It's here. It's in the screen, in the computer. You read number 3.
Sock.
The shoes. Number 3. Huyan, you read number 3.
On the cupboard.
The shoes is on the cupboard. Number 4. The clock.
Next to
Clock is
the
clock
dog.
is next.
Next to the duck.
Very good. And number 5, the sock.
The sock under the chair.
Very good. Yeah. Good job, Huyin girl. Very good. Okay. Yay. Okay, here. So this is the last activity that you are going to do. You will have to read the questions. Okay, look at this one. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 5 questions, Suyan. 5. You look at the girl. The girl's name is Anna. Okay, so look at the girl and you answer the question about the girl. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You write your answer on. Okay, where is it? Do you have the paper again? Okay, you write it in the paper. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Part 2. Look at the picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Hello. What's your name?
It's Anna.
How do you spell that?
A-double-N-A.
Oh, I see. And how old are you, Anna?
I'm 8.
8. You are a big girl.
Yes, I am.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1.
Which school do you go to, Anna?
I go to Pear Tree School.
Is that P-E-A-R?
Yes, that's right.
2.
How many children are there in your class?
There are 13.
13. That's a small class.
Yes, I like that.
3.
Who sits next to you at school?
My friend Sam.
Is that a boy or a girl?
A boy. He spells his name S-A-M.
4.
Do you learn English at school, Anna?
Yes, it's my favourite lesson.
Who's your English teacher?
His name's Tony.
Is that T-O-N-Y?
Yes, that's right.
5.
Are you reading that book?
Yes, there are monsters in the story.
Monsters? Wow. How many?
5.
5 monsters?
Yes, I like the story. It's very funny.
Now listen to part 2 again. 1.
Which school do you go to, Anna?
I go to Pear Tree School.
Is that P-E-A-R?
Okay.
That's right.
2.
Okay, Huyan?
Okay.
Oh, you're done. So what is your answer for number 1? The answer is, what name of Anna's school? What is the name of Anna's school?
B school. P school.
Oh, very good. Number 2, Huyen.
Um,
How,
40
how many children are there in Anna's class?
is 40.
Okay, 13. Number 3, who sits next to Anna at school?
Sam.
Sam, very good. And number 4, what is the name of Anna's language English teacher?
Tony.
Tony. Okay, and how many monsters are there in the story?
There are 5.
There are 5 monsters, teacher Anne. Oh my God, so many monsters in the story. Okay, so do you understand this, Huyan? You understand this? Okay. So, Yan,
Yes.
okay, what is your question? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so we will see each other on Saturday. Saturday?
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. Okay, so Teacher Anne will see. Oh, I like your hair bun. It's very nice. Oh, okay. Teacher Anne will say goodbye now. Bye-bye, Huyen girl.
My teacher.
Okay. Okay, where's your big sister? Where's your sister? Still beside you? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye, Huyen.
Bye.
See you. Okay, see you on Saturday. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.